Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by mounting the Swift securely. Clamp it to a stable table edge so it won't wobble. Once clamped, open the umbrella arms and center the yarn skein on the Swift. This balances tension and prevents tangles. Next, attach the cone or bobbin to your winder and thread the yarn through the tension guide or spring tensioner. This controls feed speed. Make sure to leave a 6/12-inch tail accessible so you can start the first wrap without pausing. Begin by attaching the yarn to the bobbin with a snug starter knot or a small piece of tape. This keeps the yarn from slipping. Start cranking slowly and use your free hand to apply light, consistent tension. This avoids loose coils and uneven cake shape. As the cake forms, shift the placement of your guiding hand and the yarn across the bobbin to create angled cross layers at about 45 degrees. This stabilizes the cake and prevents tunneling. To finish, stop the winder and cut the yarn, leaving a 6/8-inch tail. Tuck that tail into the center pull hole or secure it with the original paper band so the cake holds. If the cake looks lopsided, make sure the skein was centered and gently recenter the yarn on the Swift, then redistribute the cake by slow, controlled cranking. If you hit a snarl, halt immediately, trace the tangle back to its source, free it, and resume winding more slowly, with slightly higher tension to prevent repeats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.